This cabbage is better than meat. How did I not know about this recipe before? For our recipe, we will need 500 grams of cabbage. Cut it into strips. Then cut all these strips into smaller pieces. Transfer it into a pot. Cover it with water. And let it cook for 10 minutes. Then drain the water and add the boiled cabbage into a bowl. To continue, in a frying pan, add some oil, 1 chopped onion, 3 garlic cloves, and sauté. Take a moment to tell me where you're watching us from, so I can thank you for following our recipes. Transfer the sautéed onion into the bowl along with the cabbage. Also, add 2 eggs, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of mild paprika, 3 tablespoons of flour, and stir. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below, I love cabbage. Now, in a skillet over medium heat, add some oil and spread it well with a brush. With a tablespoon, add some portions of our mixture to fry. This recipe is perfect for your dinner party and will perfectly serve your whole family. Try it at home and you will love it. And when one side is cooked, turn it over to cook the other side. Repeat the same process with the rest of the mixture. And our recipe is ready. You only need to enjoy it. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video.